Here's a look at this sealant clay right here. It's extremely malleable. It's soft, it's lightweight, it's sticky enough to, use it as a sealing clay, but doesn't go crazy on your fingers, which is really nice. And they come packaged in little tubes like this. And so you just pull it out of there, pinch off as much as you need. It does say to whatever you fill this with, seal this with, whatever you use this on, it says come back in 3 to 5 days just to double check on it, because sometimes it shrinks and you might need to add a little bit more a few days later. But other than that, this is pretty much just a set it and forget it. Just mold it, shape it into place, and that's pretty much it. Just double check that it didn't shrink, and that's all there is to it. It feels really cool, kind of fun to use, and just works well for a lot of different uses, a lot of different projects. So I think you'll be really happy with this sealing clay right here.